Everyone's been asking me how I made the splatter backgrounds for my Inktober project, so here's my tutorial. I'm Jessica Sanders of ColorMeCreativeArt.com, and let's get going. For supplies, you need a non-porous surface like wax paper, Brusho watercolor ink crystals, a spray bottle, and some cardstock. So lay out your wax paper and then sprinkle the crystals on the paper. All of these colors work together, but I don't want them to completely mix, so I sprinkled the crimson, the yellow ochre, and the turquoise in little areas next to each other. Next, you take your spray bottle and you squeeze the trigger really slowly to get some larger drops and smaller drops. You don't want too much water, you want the drops to actually show up. So look at those color crystals. I froze the camera so you could see how cool they look with all the multiple colors in each color. Now take your paper, and if you want this small drops, you have to be super light, like barely tap the paper down onto your surface just to pick up the drops. And depending on how you move the paper will depend on the result you get. So the tapping gets you the small drops. You saw I slide it across to give me some streaks. And then to get some bigger blotches, see, I pressed a little harder here and got the big blotches of color. So it all depends on the effect you want. If you want small drops, then tap really lightly. If you want bigger splotches, put more pressure. And you can layer these. Once the first layer is dry, you can tap in more color by using the same methods on the dry paper that already has color. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, give me that thumbs up, and don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, to subscribe and hit that bell so you'll know when I upload videos. Alright, thanks so much. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.